here's how you're going to buy a Udemy subscription. First is you're going to go to udemy.com, and then you're going to sign in, or you're going to create an account. Now from here, you're going to look for the Udemy personal plan. So on the homepage, you could usually see it at the top right here, like subscribe to personal plan. But as you can see, it is not showing on mine. So if you are the same, you're going to click on your profile icon at the right of your screen at the top right corner. And then from here, you are going to click on your subscriptions. Now from here, from the subscriptions page, you are going to look at the subscription plans available, and you can see here the personal plan. So this is sometimes shown as try personal plan or something like that. So if you want to purchase this, you're just going to click on subscribe. And then from here, we are going to go. It will take us to the checkout page. So we're going to choose whether we want a yearly access or we want a monthly access. So take note that, of course, these have set different prices, because usually for yearly access it is much more discounted. So as you can see, the original price would be 7,500 for me in pesos, but it's only going to cost me 625 per month if I'm going to avail the yearly access. I'm going to save 5,100 pesos. Now, you're just going to fill out all of these details, like the billing address and the payment method. Just make sure to add your card number, expiry date, CVC or CVV, and then of course your name on a card. Now, if you have a coupon, you can use it right here. You're just going to click on apply coupon, and then you're going to enter your coupon code right here, and then click on apply. And then after that, you're going to review the details of your purchase, and then you're going to click on start subscription to start, and you can now access thousands of courses included in your plan. And that is how you're going to buy Udemy subscription. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.